It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. And today in this time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. Booker T. Washington said, the circumstances that surround a person's life are not as important as how that person responds to the circumstances. Life is challenging. Stuff will happen that you cannot control, but ultimately your success is a matter of choice. The key to turning a setback into a comeback is first to choose to keep going. Unfortunately, most people refuse to choose, and in the process, they choose to lose. Either you will decide for your life or life will decide for you. So today is a great day to decide to win and to choose to move forward and not quit. I'm here to encourage you and want you to know that God did not send you here to quit, but rather to live life more abundantly. So let's get it on. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com to get some free resources and stay connected to us. And remember, your best is still yet to come.